हेलो दोस्तों, पी के स्मार्ट मोटिवेशन की एक नई वीडियो में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। तो चले वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Let's start. Disturbing figures have been released highlighting that 2,633 children were reported missing in 2023 full stop. As per the Roshni helplines numbers, although 1942 of these were reunited with their families, 20 were found sexually abused and murdered full stop. Children had fled their homes due to familial violence, communication gaps, and societal pressures full stop. The trend is particularly alarming among the 11 to 15-year-old age group full stop. The state's existing frameworks, such as the Zainab Alert Response and Recovery Act 2020, while commendable, require more robust enforcement full stop. Civil society's role is equally crucial full stop. Awareness campaigns and community engagement are essential for early detection and prevention full stop. The issue also calls for a societal re-evaluation of parenting full stop. The increase in runaway cases due to domestic issues points to a need for parental education, community support systems, and accessible counseling full stop. Schools should actively participate in programs focusing on child safety and well-being. Full stop. New paragraph. The data, revealing regional variances, with Sindh and Punjab reporting the highest number of cases, necessitates region-specific strategies full stop. Moreover, considering that the majority of missing children are boys, targeted measures are imperative full stop. The fact that 99% of missing children come from the working class adds another layer of complexity, indicating that socio-economic factors play a significant role in this crisis full stop. It highlights the need for targeted interventions in these communities, addressing issues like poverty, education, and access to social services full stop. Alarmingly, 658 families await their children's return full stop. The state's responsibility extends beyond legal reforms. It must also ensure effective implementation of child protection laws full stop. This includes establishing a network for reporting and tracking missing children and equipping local education agency with the necessary tools and training full stop. Moreover, community involvement in monitoring and reporting suspicious activities can significantly aid in early interventions full stop. This, coupled with increased funding and support for organizations working on the ground, can make a substantial difference full stop. A combined effort of the state, civil society, and communities is imperative to address this crisis effectively full stop. It requires a collective awakening, a national movement that prioritizes the safety of our youngest and most vulnerable full stop. Let us remember that every child saved is a future preserved full stop.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर लाजमी करें और बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दें।